June 2nd, 2024. I'm Ted Dunn, and this is my 15-month progress report on my recovery from total knee replacement surgery on my right knee. I'm going to set the camera up and show you my knee, and we'll talk a little bit about how it feels. Well, I'm sitting in the cockpit of my sailboat right now, and here's my knee. And what can I say about it? In terms of bending, I can still bend it to 125 to 130 degrees if I push it a little. And I have plenty of strength. I don't have any limitations about what I do. I go up and down stairs normally all the time, usually a couple hundred steps a day because I live in a house with 28 stairs. Anyway, the only issue I'm having is right in here on the sort of outside of the knee. I get a little bit of swelling right here after I've been on my feet for the day, and it feels very tight. But it's the muscles here and I guess a ligament in here. And if I go out and walk around for several hours, my knee gets a little tired and starts to ache a little bit. And there's a pretty simple solution to that. Okay, when I'm going to be out and about for a while and I know that I'm going to be working my knee, I put an elastic bandage on it. It's pretty simple. Let me move the camera a little more. Just wrap it around. I don't have to wrap it tight, just to put a little pressure out here on my knee. And with that wrapped on there, the discomfort I feel on the outside of the knee more or less goes away. Now, of course, this does constrict my leg a little. It makes it a little harder to bend my knee. And I do, after I've been out walking for a while, the muscles, particularly in my thigh, start to ache a little. But other than that, my knee is doing really well. Like I said, I can bend as much as I need to. I can, walk 3 or 4 miles if I feel like it. And I had been doing that up until 2 weeks ago when I was here on the boat hauling on a line, standing up in the cockpit, and the line had a kink or something in it and it got really hard to pull, so I gave it a good yank and fell backward and ended up sitting in the cockpit, but all at once, and I wrenched my back which has slowed me down quite a bit over the last 10 days or so. It happened 2 weeks ago, this coming Wednesday. So anyway, that's one of the issues with being in your 70s. And things that wouldn't have fazed you at all 10 or 15 years ago are an issue. And my back is slowly improving, although the last couple nights I have had trouble sleeping because I just can't get in a position where my back doesn't hurt. But as far as my knee goes, that's not an issue anymore. As a matter of fact, the back has totally overshadowed the knee to the point where I don't really think about it. And I'm hoping that the back will improve, and then I'll think about the knee again. Well, they're working on something over there. But anyway, my knee is slowly improving, and as I said, I'm on my boat. Let's take a look around. We're sitting in the marina today. I don't think we're going to go out, but we did go out last Wednesday, and I made a video about that. There's a Friendship sloop going out with a load of tourists. He goes out 3 times a day right now for 3-hour cruises. So a good way to see the island from the water. Anyway, we'll get out again this in the next 3 or 4 days because the weather's supposed to be good, and hopefully my back will improve a little bit. Anyway, that's where we are right now. Things are working. They're not wonderful. The back issue is a much bigger issue than the knee right now. So that's where I am, and hopefully the way things are going, in another 2 or 3 months my knee won't be an issue at all, and I'll be back to doing whatever I want without any discomfort. Okay, thanks for watching.